Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston. Welcome to Lyndon Houston Cooking. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide. Very simple, easy, effective, and tasty. And we'll be showing you how to make mince pie filling. So sit back, relax, do enjoy this video. Please do consider to like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. Let's get into the video. To make your lovely mince pie filling, you will need some ground almond. You'll need some cinnamon. You'll need nutmeg, allspice, ginger, bit of salt, and you have some mixed peel here, chopped nuts. You have a bit of butter, and also I have some lemon here, and you have 2 apples over there. And in this, we have some cranberry and different types of raisin to make this. And I'm going to take you through the process. Also, what you don't see me have here is the orange juice. But sit back, relax, do enjoy this video. And if this is something that you love, guys, please do thumbs up the video. And please do consider to subscribe and do leave positive comment. So what I'll be doing, I'll be using this pan because at least you can see exactly what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and get my ingredients in. We're going to pour all of this in. Go ahead and add all your spices. This pan which I'm using, it's enough for this amount. Salt, you're gonna add salt in it. That part of the recipe. Once this finish, I'll put the recipe. I have a lovely recipe. I will put it in the description. I'm using butter. Now, you don't have to use butter. That is personal preference. So if you think you want to use butter, you can use sweets in it, but I don't have any. I don't really like sweet anyway. Lemon juice. And then zest, bit of lemon zest in this. So after that, I'm going to peel the apples. What I'm gonna do, cut off the bits of this which can be used. Normally I'm using about 2 apples in this, but sometimes you buy the apples and this is what happens. So just take what you need off this. make sure you cut these as small as possible. And for those of you who subscribe for this lovely recipe, follow after this recipe will be how to make your mince pie. So I'm going to show you also how to make your short crust pastry. Different ways you can make the short crust pastry. So then we're going to take it and combine everything. So normally this recipe calls for brandy. But I don't like brandy. I don't want to put anything like that in it. But I'm gonna add some cooking wine. And for those who really just, if you had a little bit of cooking wine, so that when cooking with alcohol, it's only left with the flavor, not the alcohol to make you get drunk. So bear that in mind. Orange juice. So normally this should cook down for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Normally you should put sugar in this. I don't want any sugar in mine. A reason why I don't want any sugar in it is because the apple, everything inside here, most of it, they're already sweet. So that's why I don't want any sugar in it. So we're gonna leave this and let him cook down for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see how it's reducing, nice aroma it's giving off. Wish you were here to smell it. Look at that. So I just need to let it cook down for another 5 minutes. Look at that. If you notice, do you hear that sound? Dry down, lovely. Look at that. See that? That's a perfect mince pie filling. Look at that. Look at that.